We are doing a room tour of my cabin 15412 on the Carnival Celebration. It is a standard balcony. You got your two light switches here. Right, the bottom one does that big one right there, and the top one does all the rest of the lights. This is the bathroom. It's kind of small for me. Bathroom with the shower with the glass door. You have two closets. You got your safe in this closet. Hangers. Got some drawers. Hangers, shelves, pretty standard mirror. We do have it split into two beds, which means the end tables go in the center there. You have USB and lights next to each bed. You got your TV, couch, vanity mirror. You got this that doubles as a tray or as an extra seat. Of course, your drawers, and then got your refrigerator. You got your sliding balcony door. And the Port of Miami.